Looking to bring realism and storytelling into your 3D sculpts? This is the 190 plus metal damage sculpting brushes bundle, a powerful tool set for creating worn, broken, and battle-hardened surfaces in Blender, ZBrush, or any software that supports alphas. Inside you'll find over 190 handcrafted brushes and 16-bit alphas, delivered in multiple formats, including Blend, ZBP, PSD, and PNG. Whether you're sculpting medieval armor, sci-fi plating, or damaged props, these brushes will save you hours of work while adding stunning detail. The bundle is organized into 3 groups: single impacts for focused detail, grouped clusters for layered wear, and area brushes for fast surface coverage. They're perfect for both clean base passes and heavy storytelling, from subtle scratches to dramatic destruction. You can use the included alphas in other tools too, like Substance, 3D Coat, Nomad, or Photoshop, for texture painting, bump generation, or displacement. This bundle is ideal for concept sculptors, game asset creators, and VFX artists who want to work faster and finish sharper. All previews you see in this video were created directly using brushes from the pack. And to make things even easier, we've included a free sample kit to try before you buy. If you want to add real surface depth and damage detail without sculpting from scratch, this is the brush set you've been looking for.